Welcome to the Introduction to OData presentation. Today, we'll be delving into the Open Data Protocol, commonly known as OData. Throughout this presentation, we'll discover the core concepts of OData, its applications, and the key characteristics that make it an integral part of contemporary data exchange. Now, let's explore the fundamental question: what is OData? Combination of different software system is sometimes sometimes mandatory in our modern IT world. The question is that how these systems have to communicate and exchange data. A number of standards and protocols have been discovered to facilitate communication between different systems. If you have ever explored these systems, you might have come across two popular technologies, OData and REST APIs. OData stands for Open Data Protocol. It serves as a standardized approach specifically designed for the construction and consumption of RESTful APIs. In essence, OData, short for Open Data Protocol, is a set of rules and conventions that aim to facilitate the creation and utilization of RESTful APIs for data sharing. This protocol is integral for developers and businesses, as it provides a standardized method to build and consume APIs, ensuring consistent communication and interaction between various systems. It's important to note that OData was developed by Microsoft, emphasizing its credibility and widespread adoption in the tech industry. OData was first conceptualized and developed by Microsoft around 2007 to 2008. It began as a project within the company to create a standard protocol for RESTful APIs. Initially, it was known as the Astoria project. The first version of OData was released in 2010. It aimed to define a set of best practices for building and consuming RESTful APIs. This version laid the groundwork for subsequent advancements in the protocol. The protocol evolved with version 2, introducing additional features and improvements. It enhanced functionality, including support for complex types, actions, and improved querying capabilities. Version 3 was a significant milestone, expanding support for more complex scenarios and improving the querying capabilities. It introduced support for JSON as an alternative format in addition to AtomPub. Since the release of OData v4, the protocol has continued to evolve. Microsoft and a community of developers have been actively contributing to its enhancement, addressing feedback and incorporating new features, ensuring its relevance and adaptability in the rapidly changing landscape of data exchange and web technologies. Key characteristics of OData. Standardization. OData is all about setting standards for how APIs communicate. It ensures that when you build an API using OData, it follows a set of rules and conventions. This standardization means that OData APIs will be consistent and easily understood by different systems. Querying capabilities. OData's querying abilities are pretty powerful. With OData, you can request just the data you need. It enables filtering, sorting, and the selection of specific fields, making your API calls more efficient and reducing unnecessary data transfer. Metadata provision. OData provides metadata, which is like a map of your data. It tells you what's available, the structure of the data, and how you can interact with it. This metadata makes it easier for developers to understand and work with the API. Interoperability. One of OData's big strengths is its ability to work across different platforms and tools. It doesn't matter if you're using different programming languages or frameworks. OData helps systems talk to each other more easily, promoting interoperability. Versioning and evolution. OData is designed to adapt and evolve. It allows for new features or changes to be introduced without breaking things for the users. This means that as the API improves, old versions can still be used, ensuring backward compatibility. Let's talk about how OData integrates with Web API. OData is not a standalone API, but rather a protocol that can be seamlessly integrated with various Web API technologies. One notable technology that fully supports OData's features is Microsoft's Web API framework. When you integrate OData into Web API, you harness the power of both, creating powerful and standardized APIs. This integration is particularly valuable because it allows you to leverage Web API's capabilities while benefiting from OData's standardization and query functionalities. It's a dynamic combination for building robust and interoperable APIs. Now, let's dive into the advantages of utilizing OData in API development. OData offers several significant benefits that can significantly enhance the way we work with APIs. Firstly, OData simplifies data sharing. It provides a standardized approach to present and interact with data, making it easier to communicate and exchange information across different systems. This standardization streamlines the sharing process, reducing complexity in data integration. Another key advantage is its emphasis on interoperability. OData enables different systems to communicate with each other seamlessly. This means systems and applications, regardless of their technology or platform, can easily understand and interact with the data exposed through OData APIs. This results in enhanced compatibility and smoother integration between diverse systems. Additionally, OData empowers us with advanced querying capabilities. It allows for more sophisticated and precise querying of data, enabling operations like filtering, sorting, and pagination. This flexibility provides a powerful way to retrieve only the data needed, improving performance and enhancing user experience. These advantages collectively make OData a valuable tool in API development, offering streamlined data sharing, enhanced compatibility, and advanced querying abilities, which are crucial in today's interconnected digital landscape. Application areas of OData. OData finds wide applicability across various domains, acting as a unifying factor in data exchange. Let's delve into the specific areas where OData is commonly utilized. In the realm of cloud computing, OData plays a pivotal role in facilitating seamless data exchange between different cloud services. It enables the interoperability needed for data sharing and integration across various cloud platforms, making it an efficient choice for cloud-based applications. Within enterprise applications, OData simplifies data access and sharing, offering a standardized protocol for APIs. It's extensively used to link and exchange data between different enterprise systems, aiding in the creation of cohesive and integrated solutions. OData serves as the backbone for many web services, allowing for easy access and manipulation of data over the web. Its standardized structure and query abilities make it highly suitable for exposing and consuming data across different web-based applications and services, promoting a consistent and uniform approach. Now, let's delve into the process of incorporating OData within web API development. This integration allows for a standardized and efficient approach to data access and manipulation within your API. 1. OData integration process. Step 1. Choose a web API framework that supports OData, such as ASP.NET Web API. This framework provides the necessary features to create OData endpoints. Step 2. Configure your web API project to enable OData. This involves adding necessary NuGet packages and setting up routes to handle OData requests. Step 3. Define OData endpoints in your web API. This includes specifying the entities and data models to be exposed via OData. Then let's talk about the tools and resources for OData implementation. OData libraries. Utilize OData libraries available in your programming language or platform to simplify OData implementation. For instance, OData libraries for .NET, Node.js, Java, etc. OData query options. Familiarize yourself with OData query options like $filter, $orderby, $select, $expand, etc. These options allow clients to request specific data and perform advanced querying against the API. OData client libraries. Explore and use OData client libraries that assist in consuming OData services from different platforms. These libraries facilitate easy interaction with OData-enabled APIs. By following these steps and utilizing the available tools and resources, you can seamlessly integrate OData within your web API, enabling a standardized and interoperable way for clients to access and manipulate your data. In wrapping up our discussion on OData with Web API, we've uncovered the immense potential and advantages that this combination brings to the table. Throughout this presentation, we've explored various crucial aspects. Let's recap and reiterate the key takeaways. 1. Standardization. OData provides a standardized way to create and consume RESTful APIs. This uniformity simplifies data sharing and integration across different platforms. 2. Querying capabilities. The advanced querying capabilities of OData empower developers to filter, sort, and paginate data efficiently, allowing for precise data retrieval. 3. Interoperability and integration. One of the standout features is OData's ability to work seamlessly across diverse platforms and services, enhancing interoperability and integration between systems. 4. Application areas. We've explored the diverse areas where OData finds application, such as in cloud computing, enterprise applications, and web services. 5. Integration with Web API. We've seen how OData seamlessly integrates with Web API, enabling the implementation of these powerful features within API development. 6. Benefits and best practices. The benefits, including simplified data sharing, advanced querying, and best practices for implementation, are essential to understand for successful adoption. In conclusion, our journey through OData with Web API has only scratched the surface. There is a vast realm of possibilities and opportunities waiting to be explored. I encourage further exploration and learning about OData to harness its full potential in your projects. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of OData with Web API. I hope this has sparked your curiosity and provided valuable insights into the world of interoperable and standardized APIs. Remember, embracing OData with Web API can truly revolutionize your approach to data integration and API development. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.